I've seen the stars, I've chased the rain, but nothing feels quite the same as when you're here, as when you're near. You take away my every fear. The world is quiet, the night is still, but with your love I feel the thrill. Stay with me, don't let this go. You're the only love I'll ever know. How many ways can I make you see? You're the one who sets me free. Hold my heart, it beats for you. Every moment feels so true. Stay with me through night and day. Together we'll find our way. The road is long, the path unsure, but with your love I feel secure. We'll write a story, page by page, a timeless love that never fades. If the skies grow dark and the winds grow cold,
every step closer felt like fate. A moment I knew I couldn't escape. Oh, can you feel the pull we share? Oh, a connection beyond compare. I'll never look back, this is where I belong. With you every silence turns into a song. Through every twist, through every turn, our fire's the one that will always. I'll never look back, this is where I belong. With you every silence turns into a song. Through every twist, through every turn, our fire's the one that will always burn. Even if the winds grow cold, even when the night takes hold, I'll stand with you unshared.
Udah?
Are we close enough to call this love? Or are we just afraid of giving up? I don't wanna fall if you're not sure, but I don't wanna leave without wanting more. Tell me, is this close enough? I've been trying to figure this out, how you got me tangled in this doubt. I wasn't looking for something real, but now you've made it impossible to conceal. You walked in and changed the way I see the parts of me I thought I had to keep. Now every word feels like it's true, and I can't stop myself from falling into you. I'm fading into you, losing all control.